I'm just a lonely leprechaun lost in a city. I tell you what happened. I'm coming to you for help.
Hi, what's up? I'm Lena and I work at Brooklyn Music Factory, and you and I are going to get to go on some musical adventures together. I am super excited. Wow! Oh, what was that? Huh. It fell through my window. It's so weird. It's kind of like an ancient scroll. Do you think I should open it? I don't know. I guess it must be for me if it fell through my window, right? Okay, I'm gonna open it. Let's see what's inside of here. Whoa. It's a map. Take a look at that. Oh, and there's a letter with it. Let's see what it says.
Help! Help! I'm just a lonely leprechaun lost in a city. I tell you what happened. I'm coming to you for help. I hope you've gotten my letter. I'm a little leprechaun, and there's a dragon. A mean, scary dragon. Why, he stole my pot of gold. I tell you, he did. And he hid it way far away in a cave in the Rocky Mountains. And I tell you what that dumb dragon has done. Norbert is his name. You see, he's an elitist musician that doesn't want other people to participate, and I got no musical skill. I tell you, it's the honest truth. And he's enchanted all the land against me, putting musical obstacles in the way. I can't get to my pot of gold, and I need your help. I heard in the land the best musicians in all the land come from the Brooklyn Music Factory. So I made my way here, looking for the best musical musicians in the land. I tried to get my disguise. And what did I find? Nobody's here. But I need your help. Please, I've given you the map. Maybe you can recruit some of these Brooklyn Music Factory musicians to help me along the way. Will you do it? Please. I've got to get my gold. Plus, yes, the best. You see, I'm a leprechaun. I've got magical powers, I do, and I here have granted you to use my magical powers to transform into any of the woodland forest creatures that you need to be on your way and to get my pot of gold. Whatever I can do to help you so you can help me, I'll do it. Just ask me along your journey. Here I am, stuck alone at the Brooklyn Music Factory, and maybe you'll help me. Will you help me, please?
Oh, wow. He really needs our help. You think we should help him? I think we should help him, but I don't know. Let's look at this map. So the leprechaun said that his pot of gold is hidden all the way over here in the Rocky Mountain. Well, we're over here. So let's see. We would have to cross the mud swamp, cross the forest, cross the river, and climb in the mountain. I really want to help our friend, but I'm a little scared to go alone. I know! You can come with me! Will you come with me and help me to help him? You will? Oh, I'm so glad! Okay, so it looks like the first place we go is the mud swamp. Now, I have a picture over here of said mud swamp. And it looks like there's some lily pads to help us cross it. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lily pads. Oh gosh. But what else lives in there? Oh, look at here. Do you think if we fall into the mud, he might try to eat us? I think so. Okay. Can you set up your own mud swamp at home? This is what mine looks like. I imagine that my rug was the mud swamp. and I folded these t-shirts to imagine that they were lily pads. You don't have to use t-shirts. You can use pieces of paper or anything you might have at home. Make your own mud swamp and then meet me back here.